It's time for absolute destruction as Oba Femi is walking down that ramp like a man possessed. Today he is not here to wrestle, he is here to destroy whatever or whoever stands in his way. They are getting absolutely demolished. Oba Femi has reached his breaking point and he has sent a chilling message. Even the beast Brock Lesnar or the OTC Roman Reigns won't be safe from me. I will rip their head off. Oba Femi is on a mission to win the King of the Ring crown, and once that gold is on his head, he is heading straight to SummerSlam to dismantle Roman Reigns piece by piece. He wants to be the biggest superstar this industry has ever seen, and he is ready to leave a trail of broken bodies to get there. Roman, watch your back because Oba Femi is coming to take your spot in your title, as he is not stopping for anyone. And Oba Femi destroyed the security guards and officials and also attacked Adam Pearce. Oba Femi lost absolute total control here, uppercut after uppercut. After destroying the security guards and Adam Pearce, the general manager of Raw, Oba Femi is destroying everyone. These two jobbers tried to attack Oba Femi from behind and now they are getting paid for it. What a throw by Femi. Another throw. Kanto and Garza getting destroyed by Oba Femi, who was already very angry. Oba Femi fall from grace. Femi wins this 2-on-1 handicap match. These superstars tried to destroy Oba Femi, but they failed. As Oba Femi is unstoppable.
I'm standing, I'm winning, I took your best shot, and I'm still here. And at the end of the day, I will be king of the ring. And I think at the end of the year, the OTC can get some.
Oh God. Oba Femi sends a chilling warning to Roman Reigns, saying OTC can get some. Oh, Superman punch by Roman Reigns. Jacob Fatu gave too much time to the OTC to recover. And now, Jacob Fatu brings some water. Tried to attack Roman, but Roman Reigns fighting back. Jacob Fatu said no to acknowledge Roman Reigns, and that's why this match is happening again. A spear time. Fatu said nope and counters with a mighty Samoan drop. And now Fatu with a mighty moonsault. Fatu is going for the cover. Kick out by the king. And at the same time, Roman Reigns hits a low blow to Jacob Fatu. Fatu. It's a Superman punch. Cover. Kick out by Fatu. And now Roman Reigns removing the covers of the turnbuckle as he wants to smash the head of Jacob Fatu into it. Oh, the exposed steel is very dangerous. Roman Reigns is looking to end Jacob Fatu in this match. A Superman punch, but Fatu is dancing. No effect of that Superman punch. Another Superman punch, and Fatu is still dancing. Roman Reigns in utter shock. And now Reigns smashes Fatu into the exposed steel. Every corner is exposed by Reigns. Oh, Fatu with a spear. A spinning spear by Jacob Fatu and a kick out by Reigns. Reigns now going for another spear. Oh no, another pop-up Samoan drop by Jacob. And Fatu with a moonsault this time. Cover again by Jacob Fatu, the mighty werewolf. Oh, low blow by Reigns to Jacob Fatu. And now Reigns again smashing the head of Jacob Fatu into the exposed steel turnbuckle. Fatu has no idea where he is. Oh, spear! But Reigns. Fatu got crashed and pulled through the table. And Roman Reigns. Oh, look at the replay of how Roman Reigns destroyed Jacob Fatu. Now a torpedo spear by the king of WWE, the world champion. And Roman Reigns retains his world heavyweight championship. And now Brock Lesnar, the second biggest enemy of Obafemi in WWE. The first one will be Roman Reigns. Roman Reigns and Brock Lesnar will be named as two biggest rivals of Obafemi in WWE. Uppercut after uppercut, running uppercut. And Obafemi throws Brock Lesnar. He wanted to fight Brock Lesnar again. He got to fight with Brock Lesnar. Obafemi going for the fall from grace, but Brock Lesnar escaped. He's so smart. The Beast incarnate with an F5. And Brock Lesnar shuts down the words of Obafemi with this F5 and wins the match. Paul Heyman is very happy. Oh, steel chair by JD McDonough to Obafemi. And this may put JD McDonough and Dominic Mysterio both in big trouble. Obafemi is chasing JD McDonough. And Dominic with a 619 to Obafemi. And now Dominic from the top rope. Oh, got caught by Femi. And Femi throws him like a toy. And JD McDonough saves his friend Dominic Mysterio. Oh, German suplex by Brock Lesnar. The Beast is here to silence the ruler one more time. But will he succeed? Let's find out. Do subscribe to Wrestling Justice for more incredible wrestling action like this. Currently, Obafemi is struggling in front of the Beast incarnate Brock Lesnar. Elbows to the face of Brock Lesnar, and Lesnar got rocked by Femi. Running uppercut. Crushing Brock Lesnar into the corner with his uppercut. Obafemi is looking to make a huge statement tonight. Lesnar caught him. And an F5 by Obafemi. Biggest rival Brock Lesnar. And look at Femi. He's back on his feet so quick. Got Lesnar into a choke slam. Obafemi is feeling it. Brock Lesnar got rocked with that choke slam and the strength of Obafemi. And now Femi caught Lesnar up, picks him up, puts him down, fall from grace. And Brock Lesnar got defeated by Obafemi this time. Obafemi destroyed Brock Lesnar. Oh no. Rusev and Ethan Page destroying Penta and Rey Mysterio. Do subscribe to Wrestling Justice for more incredible wrestling action like this. Rusev and Ethan Page formed a new tag team here on Raw. Machka kick to Penta. And Ethan Page dragging Rey Mysterio. Oh no. Bang! Crushes the back of Rey Mysterio, and now Camel Clutch applied. The Bulgarian Brute and Ethan Page were destroying Penta and Rey Mysterio. Here comes their savior, Dragon Lee. Bang! A kick. And bang again. Dragon Lee destroying them both at the same time. Kick. And a punch. Ethan Page got him, and oh wow, what a sequence, a super kick. Those lines sent Ethan Page outside. A drop kick to Rusev. Dragon Lee single-handedly destroying them both. Oh no! Ethan Page sends him over the barricade. Thanks for watching.